Hey everyone, I'm Garv and this is my channel Techfit. You know what, hold on a second. I do feel a bit undressed to do this intro. Just give me 1 second, just 1 sec. Now, this feels much better. Within my channel again, you will see a lot of my videos kind of revolve around tech and fitness. Again, I am working in the IT sector for the past 9 years. That's why I do make a lot of videos around programming or looking at different technologies, or maybe even doing some product reviews. And the other one is that I'm talking about fitness, where I'm as qualified as a gym instructor and personal trainer. Now, I do have some proofs as well, but again, these are just piece of paper. So again, this is my gym instructor, and this is my certificate for personal training, and again, the field I'm working in, my analytics certs. But again, these are just, for me, they are just a piece of paper. It's more about what value add can I give to you guys. And I do really appreciate if you have some comments, or if you want to talk more around specific topics, or if there's something specific that you want me to cover and do some more research on it, do leave it on the comment box below. I do read all the comments and I do come back to all the comments, and I do make videos once a week. So I do try to cover different topics when I'm making these videos and trying to do more research to actually give you more understanding about a specific area. Again, within tech, a lot of people are, because of this pandemic, if you take an example, the tech industry has just been booming, and maybe a lot of people might be trying to upskill themselves into this area. So I do make a lot of videos on different projects and different learning areas that you can actually use, or if you're trying to learn some new programming language, and that is Python or any other data science topics, I do make videos on that that can actually be value add for them. Or if somebody's trying to lose weight, maybe gain muscles, or maybe whatever is your goal is, I do cover all the different areas. And I do also make some video reviews on different products that I think that they're really interesting to me, and I think maybe that might interest you as well. I do want you to subscribe to my channel. As you can see, you're a new subscriber, that's why you're looking at this video, and I hope you enjoy this journey with me, and I really appreciate you subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. And thanks again for tuning in. Peace out.